In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Yahoo Mail. Let's get started with just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and type mail.yahoo.com into the address bar. Once the Yahoo Mail homepage loads, you'll find yourself on the login page. Here, enter the Yahoo email address associated with the account for which you intend to change the password. It's essential to ensure you're entering the correct email, as this is the account you'll be updating. After entering your email address, click on the Next button, which will take you to the password entry page. Carefully type in your current password. If you're already in the habit of changing your password regularly, that's fantastic. Keeping your credentials updated and secure is always a wise practice, and a password manager can be incredibly helpful for this. Once you've entered the password, click Next to proceed. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, you should see your profile name. Give that a click. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll need to select the Account Info option. Accessing your account information is a step closer to gaining the control you need to make crucial security adjustments, like changing your password. After clicking Account Info, you'll be taken to the Settings page. Here, find the Security section. It holds the key to your account's protection settings. Within this section, look for the Change Password option and select it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. When creating this new password, make it strong by using a mix of numbers, letters, and special characters. This will help ensure it's robust and more resistant to potential hacking attempts. Once you've entered your new password, you'll be asked to confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Remember, passwords are like toothbrushes. You shouldn't share them with anyone, and it's best to update them regularly to maintain good security hygiene. Once you're satisfied with your new password, click the Continue button to save your changes. Yahoo will confirm that your password has been successfully changed. And there you have it. You've now updated your Yahoo Mail password. In conclusion, regularly updating your email password is a simple yet effective way to enhance your online security. With new techniques for data breaches surfacing, being proactive in managing your passwords is critical to safeguarding your personal information. Thank you for following along. Don't hesitate to make it a habit to change your passwords frequently to keep your account secure.